Hello everybody, my name is Naushad and today we are going to learn about code structure. Let's start building blocks of code from here on. In JavaScript, statements are essential syntax constructs that carry out specific action or command. An example of a statement we have already encountered is alert, which displays the message hello world in an alert box. We can have multiple statements in our code and they can be separated using semicolon. For example, by doing this, we split the hello world message into two separate alerts. To enhance code readability, it is common to write statement on separate line, just like this. Remember, statements are the building blocks of JavaScript code, allowing us to perform various actions in our program. Now let's talk about semicolon. In JavaScript, semicolons play a crucial role in separating statements, but they can often be omitted when a line breaks exist. For example, in this case, JavaScript interprets the line break as an implicit semicolon, a process known as automatic semicolon insertion. However, it is important to note that not all line breaks imply semicolon. For example, in this situation, JavaScript correctly assumes that the line ending with the plus is an incomplete expression and it does not insert a semicolon. Nevertheless, there are cases where JavaScript fails to assume a semicolon where it's needed, leading to error that can be difficult to detect and resolve. For example, no need to think about the meaning of the brackets and the function for each yet. We will study them later. For now, just remember the result of running the code. It shows hello, then 1, then 2. If we remove the semicolon after the alert like this, now you can see only the first hello will be shown and an error will occur. JavaScript treats the code in the last example as a single statement, which is incorrect. To avoid such issues, it's recommended to use semicolon between statements even if they are separated by new lines. This practice is widely adopted in the community, making the code more robust and preventing potential errors, especially for beginners. Okay, now we're going to talk about comments. In programming, as code becomes more complex, adding comments becomes essential to describe what the code does and why it does it. Comments can be placed anywhere in the script without affecting the execution, as the engine simply ignores them. One-line comments start with two forward slash characters like this. Multi-line comments begins with forward slash steric and ends with steric forward slash, as shown here. Comment can also be used to temporarily disable a part of the code, just like this. In most code editors, you can use hotkeys like Ctrl plus / for single line comments and Ctrl Shift / for multi-line comments. Note that nested comments are not supported, meaning you cannot have comments inside another comment. This would result in an error. Just take a look over this. Despite increasing the overall code size, comments are highly beneficial for understanding and maintaining code. They can be removed during the minification process before deploying to production, ensuring they have no negative impact on the final working script. Remember to always include comments in your code. Thank you for watching. My name is Naushad. See you in our next tutorial.